In America, I feel like no matter how hard I worked, no matter what I did, I was just broke and stuck and going absolutely nowhere. And the only way to escape that was leaving. And I've been here in China now for nearly 2 decades, 16 years to be exact. And I gotta tell you, my life is completely different than what it used to be. You know, back in America, I was working much like I've come from Kentucky, you know, a small city in Kentucky. There's maybe 50,000 people, and you know, not a lot of opportunities when you're in a small city like that. But my whole family, you know, lives in that city. They're from that city. They've never been anywhere, you know, never like lived in any other places. Didn't have family in other places. So it's kind of like stuck in a small town and with not many opportunities. You just like, the jobs available aren't that good, and nobody wants to give you those opportunities to get jobs because the people doing those jobs, you know, they've been doing those jobs since they were teenagers, and they stay in those jobs until they retire, like in their 70s. So jobs like rarely come available for you know, for younger people. Hello. And saw somebody I knew. So anyway, yeah, those jobs rarely come available for younger people. And then on top of that, you know, if you want to leave and go to a bigger city where there's more opportunities, it costs so much money, especially if you don't know anybody, you don't have any friends or family living in those other places. It's so expensive to relocate to a place where there might be opportunity. And for me, I found that actually relocating to another country was even cheaper than relocating to another city in America. I remember I paid $1,000 for a plane ticket to come here to China, to Shenzhen to be exact. And Shenzhen is a city with about 20 million people. And I showed up there with $1,000 in my pocket and started a brand new life from scratch. No friends, no family, no nothing. Just $1,000 in my pocket was all I had. And I completely started over. It's kind of crazy how it worked out. But when I came here, you know, the first thing I did, the first couple of days, I was just going everywhere, knocking on doors, like looking for a job, you know, like I need a job. And I found a job really fast. And once I started working, it still didn't feel like work, you know, because I was learning something completely brand new to me. And just by doing that, and also living in a place where the culture is totally different, it was just like a really cool, exciting experience. And I didn't even feel like I was working, even though I was working a regular 9 to 5, you know, 5 days a week. It didn't feel like work because the experience was really cool. So, you know, all those things really led to a lot of other things as well. Like, one of the things that it actually led to was just helped me overcome a lot of the depression and things like that I had from living in America. Not just living in America, but like things that I went through. Like, I had a quite chaotic life. Sorry to interrupt, but if you want to know how I actually overcame all the depression, the trauma, the chaos, the pain in my life, to actually finding some purpose, peace of mind, and eventually becoming financially free, it's all right here in my book, my own personal true story. A lot of people have written me personal messages and told me how great the story was and how much they loved it. And I think you'll like it too. And I'll put the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, things was kind of crazy. So, you know, I was probably severely depressed. Actually, one time I was severely depressed. I was actually on medication for depression when I was a kid. But all that stuff just slowly just started to disappear after time. And once I started feeling better, like feeling more confident, more happy with the way things were going, exciting stuff that I was doing every day. Just my whole life changed. I made brand new friends. I was even able to save like 50% of my income. That's just a game changer. Saving 50% of your income is crazy. And all those things that led to the freedom, like the free space in my mind, the mental clarity and, peace of mind, it led me to start doing other things, like creating businesses and side hustles and things like that. And eventually I was saving like 75% of my salary. And then eventually it got to the point where my side hustles and businesses were making more than my job. And I was literally still working and saving 100% of my salary. And that led me to becoming financially free. And none of that would have happened if I would have stayed where I was there in America. All because, I just made a choice to leave it all behind and try something different, try something brand new, something that just seemed, I don't know, just for me, it didn't seem crazy because I was at like rock bottom, I had nothing to lose, but my family and my friends and all that stuff thought I was freaking nuts. And they probably still do, but that's okay. I don't care because I'm really enjoying my life and all the things that I get to see and do every day. And now, I'm not old, I'm 43. Some of you see the teenage millionaires everywhere now, but I'm not saying I'm a millionaire because I'm not. But I'm only 43, but I am financially free. I don't need a job. I can go anywhere I want to go, anytime I want to go there. I don't have to worry about, working a job. And it's a wonderful feeling that this happened just by leaving America. And so for you people out there who are feeling a little bit stuck, because I know times are hard right now from what I see and hear from old friends back home, things are really rough there and people are struggling. There's alternatives. There's other things you can do and ways you can escape poverty and live a wonderful, amazing life. You just have to be willing to take some chances.